Do you feel that sharp, nagging pain in the front of your shoulder every time you lift, reach overhead, or even just try to sleep on that side? Maybe you've iced it, stretched it, or even taken a break from lifting, but it just keeps flaring up. If that sounds like you, there's a good chance you're dealing with bicep tendonitis, and if you don't fix the real issue behind it, the pain will keep coming back. In this video, I'll walk you through what bicep tendonitis actually is, a test you can do right now to see if you have it, and the 3 go-to exercises I give my clients to start relieving pain fast without flaring things up again. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance, and we've helped thousands of people get rid of nagging pain and get back to doing what they love. Let's break down what's really going on with your shoulder. First off, what is biceps tendonitis? The biceps muscle isn't just a mere muscle. It plays a stabilizing role at the shoulder too. The long head of the biceps tendon runs from the bicep muscle into the front of the shoulder joint, and when it gets irritated, you'll feel it right at the front of your shoulder. You might notice pain with overhead lifting, discomfort during pulling or pressing, soreness after upper body workouts, and a deep toothache feeling at rest. Bicep tendonitis is often a result of poor shoulder mechanics or overuse, not just lifting heavy. Here are the most common triggers: repetitive overhead movements like swimming or overhead pressing, poor scapular movement. When your shoulder blade isn't moving well, the bicep has to compensate. Weak rotator cuff muscles leading to a lack of stability, meaning more stress on the tendon. And lastly, returning to exercise too soon, curls, chin-ups, and presses before the tendon's ready for the load. If you're doing any of these, even with good intentions, it could be keeping your shoulder inflamed and not allowing it to heal. Let's confirm what you're dealing with from the shoulder pain. This is a simple test you can do right now, and it's called Speeds test. To do this test, you're going to extend one arm straight out in front of you with your thumb up. Keeping your elbow locked out, you're going to use your other hand to press down on the extended arm while you resist. If you feel sharp pain at the front of your shoulder, that's a positive sign. This means your biceps tendon is inflamed and likely contributing to your pain. The biggest mistake that people have is loading the tendon too soon. This is where most people go wrong. They feel a little bit better, then jump back into curls, chin-ups, or overhead pressing, and wonder why the pain keeps coming back. But think about this: if you sprain your ankle, you don't just run on it the next day. So why would you keep doing the same thing for the irritated bicep tendon? We need to offload the tendon, improve how your shoulder moves, and rebuild the system around it. There's 2 things we have to essentially do to fix the foundation. The first is scapular mechanics. When your shoulder blade doesn't rotate upward or glide properly, your shoulder becomes unstable and the bicep picks up the slack. This leads to overuse and irritation of the tendon. Improving how your scapula moves takes pressure off the biceps and distribute load where it belongs. The second piece is rotator cuff stability. Your rotator cuff keeps the shoulder joint centered. If it's weak or poorly coordinated, the shoulder becomes unstable, and once again, the bicep has to jump in and help out. This in turn leads to that irritation. So now that we know what's going wrong, let's jump into the 3 exercises I use with my clients to start relieving pain fast and rebuild shoulder control. The first exercise up is a wall slide. This is our client's favorite exercise, hands down. This one improves upward rotation of the scapula, which is key for overhead mobility without loading the tendon. To do this exercise, you're going to head over to the wall, standing tall with a staggered stance. From there, you're going to place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, elbows slightly off. Press into the wall and slide your arms up the wall as you lean your chest forward. Pause at the top and then slowly return. Focus on slow, controlled movement, allowing the shoulder blades to move up and around. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps of this exercise. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. Next up, we have banded open books. This opens up your thoracic spine and helps your shoulder move without compensation from the biceps. To do this exercise, you're going to grab a band and head over to the wall. You're going to get into a half kneel position. Keeping your palms up, you're going to keep one hand centered and you're going to open up away from the wall, following your eyes with your hands. Go as far as you can while holding tension with the band and then return to neutral. Complete 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps per side, taking note if one side's able to open up more than the other. Next up, we have banded uppercuts. This builds strength and control in the rotator cuff without aggravating the tendon. Here's how we do it. You're going to grab a band and either get into a half kneel position or stand tall with the band in both hands. From there, you're going to keep your elbows by your side and palms up. Pull the band apart and lift your arms up and outward, stopping at eye level. Slowly lower with control. This is targeting the back of the rotator cuff. We are focused on smooth control, not speed with this exercise. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 8 reps. Your shoulders should be burning after this exercise. Let's bring it all together. To test it, you're going to use Speed's test to confirm it's biceps tendonitis. Next, you're going to stop irritating it. Back off on curls, chin-ups, and presses for now, allowing the tendon to heal. Next, you're going to fix your mechanics. Focus on scapular movement and rotator cuff control and stability. Starting with these 3 exercises: the wall slides to build upward rotation of the scapula, banded open books to offload the tendon and open up the thoracic spine, and banded uppercuts to strengthen the back of the shoulder and offload the bicep tendon. These movements are designed to build a strong, stable shoulder that doesn't rely on your bicep tendon to do all the work. If you're tired of the shoulder pain and tried things such as stretching, physical therapy, chiropractic injections, and still not getting long-term relief, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.